Hello everyone, this is me again, Sam Herbasha. Hello everyone, this is me, Sam again, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. But before anything else, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga new videos ko. And for today's vlog, mag-unboxing tayo ng hair colors from Shopee. So, wag na nating patagalin pa. Let's do the unboxing. Ito guys, naka-attach yung shop kung saan ko siya binili. Super sale. Here we go. Meron tayong blond colorant na 3 piraso. It is very light ash blonde. Ayan. Isa. Okay na okay. Maganda. And next, very light ash blonde, same as kanina. Next is yung dust. And yung tatlong natin, Hydrox, Collage Hydrox. Dust. Okay na okay. Then itong Sun-Bright series. Nilagyan ni seller ng ng plastic. Ewan ko bakit. Saka siguro wala silang box. Para hindi para hindi siya matapon. Okay naman. Pero bakit walang box nga ba? Okay naman siya. So, titingnan na lang natin kung anong resulta sa next kong video. And that's all for today, and see you on my next vlog. Bye!